What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Rare because this coin is pumping for the past couple of days absolutely like crazy. You can see that for the past 3 days we had here a pump around 200% of a net market, and right now we are testing this important bearish order block, and if certain conditions are met, I am definitely planning to open here a trading position. So if you are interested about the exact setup that I'm currently watching on this coin, and also if you are interested about the exact price prediction and about the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. So let's start on a daily time frame. This bearish order block is between level 0.218 and 0.1864, and you can see that right now we are breaking this area. For now, I want to mark this previous high because the let's say main area of this bearish order block is on the level approximately 0.2186, and if there will be support confirmation on a daily time frame, then this can be, in my opinion, really great opportunity. You can see that right now we are just breaking this bearish order block, but it doesn't mean that right now there is like a good opportunity to enter a long position, because there is pretty high probability that this candle will be just a fake out, and we will be simply only taking liquidity above this previous high. So to open here a long position, we need to wait for that support confirmation, because opening a long position right now is, in my opinion, pretty risky. You are probably thinking that pump on this coin is probably over, but if we take a look on a weekly time frame, you can see that this coin is still really undervalued, because the all-time high on this coin was around like $5. So if we take a look, let's say from this high to this current level, we are still down around like 95%. So if we will, for example, hit, this previous highs on a weekly chart, it still can be a pump around like 800% of a net market. Does it mean there is a high probability that we are eventually gonna get there? Well, it will depend more on the fundamental analysis, not a technical one, but yeah, I think there is like definitely possible. If there will be like that increased bullish volume, there is pretty high probability of a bigger short squeeze, which means that the price can pump even more. But if we will take a closer look on that weekly time frame, you can see that right now we are testing kinda important resistance, which is between levels, let's say 0.272 and 0.201. So right now, if there will be a support confirmation in this area on a weekly time frame, then this will be, in my opinion, in the long time perspective, really bullish signal, because you can see that historically here we only, let's say, closed here on like a daily time frame, not on a weekly one, which means that on the lower time frames we had here pretty small volume. And if on a weekly time frame we will be, let's say, closing these weekly candles above this previous high, which means above the level 0.1926, then it will be, in my opinion, really bullish. But let's now take a look on the exact trades that you can take here, and let's use a 12-hour chart for that. Opening a long position right now is, in my opinion, making absolutely 0 sense, because this is just a FOMO. You are buying the coin simply because it's pumping, and that's usually a really bad idea, because right now you don't have here any interesting areas where you can place your stop loss. First good opportunity will be, in my opinion, in case of a retest of like these two previous highs, because this was the high of that bullish order block on a daily time frame, and we have here really nice candles on a 12-hour chart. So if we are gonna retest this area, which is, let's say, between levels, as I said, 0.2188 and 0.2022, something like that, and we will do here a support confirmation on a 12-hour or maybe a daily time frame, then this will be, in my opinion, a first good opportunity. Even better, it will be with a fake out. So if the market will do simply something like this, like a fake out and then a support confirmation, you can open here a long trade. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So stop loss, in this case, you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. Entry will be somewhere in this area after a support confirmation, and the last take profit target you can place above this bearish order block, which is also on the daily time frame, as you can see. and this bearish order block is between levels 0.390 and 0.302. The reason why I am placing the last take profit targets above this bearish order block is that if you will place the last take profit target just under this bearish order block, you are not gonna have that good risk reward ratio. And another reason is that I think that if we are gonna test this area, there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability of a liquidity grab, which means that we will grab the liquidity above this previous highs, and then the market can reverse back down to this bearish order block. So yeah, this is, in my opinion, really good setup if you want to trade this coin. But don't forget that opening a long position on this coin right now is really risky. The RSI is actually really overbought because we are on the level like 80. So yeah, it's slightly overbought right now. And yeah, if you will be opening here a long trade, use proper risk management and use proper stop loss. And for a trade like this, I would recommend you to use something around 0.5% or like 1% of your trading portfolio. Yeah, something like that. And also take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits, for example, take under this previous strong high, then definitely some of the profits take under this bearish order block, maybe some profits in that bearish order block, and then save some back to the last take profit target. So from the risk reward ratio like 9.77, this still can be a really good setup. And if we will get back to that weekly time frame, because you, for example, want to open here a long position for a long time, so you don't want to use leverage, you simply want to buy this coin to your long-term portfolio, then definitely it will more depend, as I said, on the fundamental analysis. So if you want to buy this coin to your long-term portfolio, do a fundamental analysis on this coin. But if I will take a look on the technical analysis, then this coin in the long-time perspective right now is having absolutely insane bullish volume. This is really good sign. And also in the long-time perspective, we are heavily undervalued because we are still down around like 95%. Do I think that this coin is ever gonna reach this like previous all-time high? Well, in my opinion, probably not, but it doesn't mean that this is not a good buy, because even, as I said, if we are, for example, reach this previous high, it still will be a trade with like 800% of the net market profit. And if you will, for example, use like small leverage, let's say something around 5, something like that, it will be an absolutely insane profit. So yeah, if you want to create here a long position and you believe in this coin fundamentally, this is really important, then yeah, I probably have nothing to against that. So yeah guys, if you like this analysis and you don't want to miss out, then definitely consider subscribing this channel. And if you want to help with trading and you want to copy, for example, all of my trades, then don't forget to join my Discord trading group, because I'm sharing there those analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.